Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing lab 6-3, which is finding duplicate payments. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and open up the payments made workbook. You can either do this by accessing your files in the OneDrive, which would be found in the DA working papers, current audit file, and then payments made. I'm going to go ahead and do it in Excel just to avoid some issues that U of R has with me accessing my account, which is the same information, so no worries at all. And I'm going to go to the invoice reference column, go ahead and highlight. In home, under styles, I'm going to do conditional formatting, highlight sales rules, duplicate values, and I'm going to go ahead and select OK. Doesn't look like, oh, we have one in there that's been highlighted, so we know it works. And we're going to select all of the data. So Control Shift down and over. And once again, I'm going to go to Home, Styles, Format as Table, and then I'm going to pick a light non-banded theme. So I'm going to do green again. And my table does have headers. So moving on, I'm going to click the drop down next to invoice reference right here. So click on filter by color, and I'm going to select this one since it's the one that we used in step 4. And now we can see the duplicate values that exist in the invoice reference. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove that filter. There we go. I've removed the filter, and we're going to do the same thing for payment amounts. So I'm going to select the payment amount column, conditional formatting, highlight sales rule, duplicate values, and then just select OK. And now that I've done that, I'm going to use the drop down. And I'm going to do filter by color. And now I can see all of the amounts that have been duplicated. I'm going to go ahead and remove that filter. Okay, so now we're going to open up the idea app. Just hit home, idea, and select idea. It takes a minute to load. Okay, so my project P2P idea audit data is already open. So I'm going to open the payments made file. Just double clicking on it. Then I will go to the analysis. And under the Explore tab, I will do duplicate key detection. I'm going to click the output duplicate records right there. It's already clicked for me. And then I will click key and choose invoice reference from the drop down list. 1 second, please. Yes, wrong drop down. It's this one. So invoice reference. And I will click OK and OK once again. So now it's going to show me the invoice references that are duplicated, kind of similar to what we've done in Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the payment amount. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the payments made tab, and we're just going to follow the same steps. However, we're going to be doing it for the payment amount column. So I'm gonna go to analysis, I'm already there, explore, duplicate key, detection, and I'm gonna hit key. And instead of invoice reference, we're gonna do payment amount. First one, hit OK, and there we go. A couple more are listed, but as you'll see, there are the similar ones to the ones you have here in payment amount if we were to filter by color. And so now, this is the end of lab 6-3, finding duplicate payments. Thanks for watching.